Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing how to add payments on CirclePlug. We're currently on the products and invoicing landing page. To add a payment on CirclePlug, we're going to use the orders icon. We're going to tap on the orders icon. This takes us to the all orders landing page. Here we're going to select the order which you want to add a payment to. So I'm going to scroll to check for the order. I'm going to click on this order. It brings about the order details page. As you can see the status, when you see the order by, you can see it shows awaiting payment. That's the current status of this order. It is awaiting payment. So to add a payment, you're going to scroll down. And then you see the add payment button. You click on the add payment. There you see single payments and multiple payments. Single payments means the customer paid using one mode of payment. It could either be cash, transfer, or POS. Multiple payment, on the other hand, means that the person paid for a particular order with multiple means of payment. It could either be part was paid with cash, part was paid transfer, and part could be POS. So for this demo, I'm going to be using the single payment option. So I click on that button, single payment. And there you see transaction review, mode of offline payments. So you can see where it says cash, there's an inverted triangle. You click on that inverted triangle, and then it brings a drop down for the other modes of payment supported. You can see the bank transfer, card, inflow. For this demo, I'm going to be using the bank transfer. So I click on bank transfer. There you can see the next thing, it says bank account paid to, select bank account. You click on the inverted triangle again, and the drop down shows enter bank details manually. So here you can either enter your bank details manually, or you have a preset bank account set up for you. But here I'm not going to be adding any bank details for this demo, but you can add in your own for your own demo, your own review. Then I scroll down and I click on the add payment button. It's loading. And just like that, payment has been added to that particular order. So to go back, we're going to click on this arrow at the top left to show the order details. We scroll back up and you see that the status has changed to paid. It is no longer an awaiting payment. It is now, this order has been paid for. So hence the status has changed to paid. So we're going to go use the inverted arrow at the top left again to go back. And they were in the all orders page. So now I'm going to add another payment to explain what the multiple payments option means. So I scroll down to refresh. Here we can see that the status has changed to paid as well for this order. It's paid. So I go back. On the all orders, you can see that the status has also changed to paid. So now to explain the multiple payments, I'm going to tap on this order, Femi's order, this first order. I click on it there, and then I scroll down. I scroll down to the add payment button, and I click on add payment. Then I'm going to click on multiple payments this time around to explain multiple payments. So I click on multiple payments. Here, the transaction review is different. You can see there's a cash amount, a bank transfer amount, select bank account amount, and then card amount. So for this transaction, the person paid 55K cash, 5,000 in cash. And then for the bank transfer, person paid 200,000. And then for the card amount, person paid 100,000. So when I've imputed all the data I want to impute, I click on this arrow to remove the number menu. Then I scroll down to add payments. And I click on add payments. And there, payment has been added successfully. Payment received. You can see the different modes of payments for the card, for the offline bank transfer, and for cash. So you click on the back arrow at the top left to go back, and then it takes you to other details. The status has also changed to paid. It's no longer an awaiting payment. So we also click on the back arrow to go to the main orders landing page, and there the status has changed to paid. You can see now Femi's order is now paid. The other order is also paid. And that is how to add a payment on CirclePlug. Thank you for listening.